I've been looking at ways to invest and get exposure to the renewable energy market, and I've done my research and come up with an ETF called iShares Global Clean Energy ETF. There's a number of factors why I've decided to get into renewable energy. The president of the USA, Biden, he's a great supporter of green energy. We're now coming out of the pandemic, and there'll be time for us all to refocus and look at green energy, and there's great potential in this fund. The fund gives you exposure to companies that produce energy from solar, wind and other renewable sources. The fund actually has holdings in 30 renewable energy companies. The biggest fund they hold, or the most shares they hold, is Plug Power. Then let's go down Enphase, Verbund, Siemens Gamsa, Vesta, and as we go down the list now, Vestas Wind Systems, I've actually got shares in those directly, hold shares in those directly. They produce wind turbines, and as does Siemens Gamsa. They're into the manufacture of wind turbines. So this fund is giving us real good exposure to the renewable market without us having to go to the effort of researching and finding companies. So I'm quite confident they've done all their homework. Regarding the price, the price currently is 947 pence. The lowest this year was 420, and in January in 2020 that was 1,457 pence. So you can see there's a good margin for the price to get back to what it was. So there's a good profit potential there, and I'm sure there will be. Looking for the maximum period of time the fund has been in operation, it went up 300%, and it's now down to about 150%. So there's a 100% potential for the fund to grow to get back to where it was. So everything is looking good. I've done my research, and I'm now going to invest in this fund. I'm using my free trade platform to buy, and I've found the fund on the platform. It gives you a few statistics, and also it just goes through and tells you what the fund does. I'll just read it to you quickly. This ETF tracks an index of global companies that focus on sustainable and renewable energy production and distribution. The fund may use derivatives to hedge against currency risks. Income will be distributed as cash, and also they pay a dividend. So that's the information I have. I'm now going to go to buy, and I have £11 available. I'm just going to get into this fund initially, then I'm going to buy some more shares once I've funded my account. Review order, and it says here amount £10, latest price as number of shares estimated 1, total cost 9.49, confirm buy. I've just got to confirm the buy, and it should be sending the order. These are traded on the London Stock Exchange, and the purchase will be carried out tomorrow when the markets open. So I've just invested in iShares Global Clean Energy, and this is one way, or probably the best way, to get exposure to the renewable energy market, and hopefully there's a lot of potential for an upside. I'm buying these just at the right time. There's a dip in the price. They're at 9.47. They were 14.57 in January, and they were a lot higher than that originally. So they're down 150. So they're up 158% since they've started trading. So this is Global Clean Energy, and I've just placed an order. Any questions or comments, please go ahead and ask, or we'll receive a reply. Until next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.